UK Visa and Immigration online application service is a simple online service for people inside the UK and overseas to apply for a visa. It's an exemplar because it is showing how we can actually build good digital products and services. We want to reduce the amount of paper-based applications that people use to apply for a visa. We want to improve and transform the organisation. There are three really big challenges that the team have overcome. One is around the perception of how we deliver agile services and helping the organisation transform. In addition to that, actually understanding who our users are. We have got a massive user group and English is not their first language. Finally, one of the major challenges that I think we found is how do we actually merge agile development working with legacy IT suppliers.
So we started the project at the alpha stage and we worked very closely with the Home Office product manager. We really focused on trying to capture and prioritise all the user needs, and we put together a lot of clickable prototypes so that we could take these out to the users of the system and test them to see how they interacted with them early on, so that we knew that when we actually came to build stuff, we'd be building the right thing for the user.
Applying for a visa is really complicated. We've simplified that. An example of this is in China, where we've even translated it into the language that people natively speak, so they can understand what they're applying for and why.
As the Equal Experts team started analysing the immigration products, we realised there was no straightforward definition for what an immigration product actually is. We needed to devise a way to model the immigration products in a consistent fashion so that we could make changes to the products quickly. So we developed a tool which internally we called the product catalogue. The benefit is that we have a simple way of codifying the immigration rules, and this then drives the user interface. A key success factor was including a policy representative as an integral member of the team.
What we've built to date has been the building blocks to realise our vision. We've done the hard work first, which allows us to roll out more visa types more quickly.
In order to help improve delivery risk management and create capability to deliver change quickly, and we work with the Home Office to be able to do weekly releases into production. We cannot underestimate the significance of this for an organisation used to yearly releases. Turning a release into a regular event is a major achievement.
So the public beta of the service was released in June 2014 on time and on budget. So far we have received over 60,000 applications for visitor visas, and a large majority of users, about 80%, tell us they're very satisfied with the experience. And the caseworkers themselves tell us that they're seeing a much higher quality of data coming in, so their lives are getting much easier. We have set up an end-to-end delivery process. We have put in place collaborative tooling to allow the team to scale over time, and we have put in place a secure and robust cloud infrastructure.
So we achieved the GDS Digital by Default Service Assessment by making sure we had a strong multidisciplinary team in place, we cared about our users and their needs, and we were continually iterating and improving our service. In short, our aim was to make sure that we had a service so good that people wanted to use it. So what's next? Well, we've built the foundation. We want to ultimately have an end-to-end digital service that represents a 21st century Home Office.